welcome back to Korean Fleek, and today I'll be showing you how to get this look done, so keep on watching. Okay, so first we're starting off with the Smashbox primer water, and I'm adding this all over my face. I'm going to use this Glam Glow Nude Glow all over my face, and I like this because it moisturizes my face and it gives me a very good luminosity. Next, I'll be using this Josie Maran 100% pure argan oil, and I'll be using this brush cleaner set. I'll be using the little cap in order to mix 5 drops of this and some foundation. The foundation I'll be using is this medium sand Tarte Amazonian clay foundation, and I'm using this brush to apply it with. This is one of those this is one of those wish brushes that I bought a while ago. I'll be having the actual full haul in a week, in case you were wondering. So now I'll be using my HD Studio concealer, and I'll be applying this on my eyes, and I'm actually going to blend this with my fingers. Then I'm applying it underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and on my cupid's bow and chin. So I am going to be using my beauty blender to blend all of this. I need to get a new one, or at least place a Miss 8 order where they're only $1. So yeah. Next, I'll be using this Laura Mercier powder, the translucent powder, and under my eyes, and I'm dusting it off right away. I'm also adding some of that translucent powder all over my face, and that's just a little bit. I'm not going to leave it baking or anything. This is just so that my foundation everywhere sets and it doesn't transfer when I say hi or something like that. I don't want that happening, so yeah, I just add a little bit all over my face and dust it off really quick. And I'm just showing you with my hand what I'm talking about, like if you guys can actually tell. Next, I'll be using my Huda bronzer on my cheekbones, and I usually bronze up all my face. I don't know what happened today, but anyways, overall I think it ended up looking good, and I'm just applying it with the brush that comes with it, and then here we are just messing around. So then I'm using my MICA Beauty blush, and I use this one all the time. I know a lot of people don't mention this on YouTube, but I like it a lot. Next, I'll be using my Moonchild highlighter palette, and I'm using the pink heart shade, and I'll be using that on my cheeks with the beauty blender because I don't want it so blinding and stuff like that. So then I'll be doing my brows, and I'll be going over this really fast. I'll be making a video about this soon, so yeah. So next I'll be using my Huda Beauty palette, and I'll be using the color Blazing just to place it on the crease of my eye. Next, I'll be using this color called Cosmo, and I'm using some Fix Plus to apply it, and oh my god, this color, you can see my reaction. This color is the color to use out of this palette. It does shine a lot, so even like after like 10 hours of using this, the color was really good. Like, pop in, girl. Anyways, I'll be doing the same to my other eye. I'm just applying this all over my eyelid. For eyeliner, I use I would just leave the name of it. I always use it. I can't believe I blanked out right now and don't remember the name. but it's this liquid eyeliner, and I think it only costs like $3.99. So, and it's really good. Now I'll be curling my lashes with this curler that I bought from like the drugstore, and then I'll be applying some Great Lash mascara. And this mascara is okay, you just have to build it like a lot, which I don't really love. But when I went to the drugstore to look for the one I really like, and they didn't have any, so I had to pick this one. You know, my favorite is and since I was not satisfied, I usually use about 2 mascaras to do this when I don't wear lashes, and since that's the case today, I'll be using this Elizabeth Arden one. Next, I'll be going back into the highlight just on my nose with that same color. And at the end, I'll just be applying this lipstick that I bought from Wish. This is in the color 12, and it's by the Last Kiss brand, like CMA, something like that. And I am actually trying this lipstick out for the first time, and I have to say that it did dry pretty quickly. I guess it lasts for a good amount of time unless you eat, and I mean, we all eat, so I mean, I don't know, I'll give it another try, see how it wears another day. But in this particular date, it lasts so long. Oh, I was almost forgetting to add some Fix Plus, and this is it. This is the last step. Once you put Fix Plus on, everything just pops so nicely. I always mention this. So that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. See you guys next time.